Creating YouTube Shorts content on the topic of 5 best ways to earn money can be a great way to engage your audience and potentially earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Here are 5 strategies to help you make money with YouTube Shorts on this topic. High-quality content. Create informative and engaging short videos that offer valuable insights on the 5 best ways to earn money. Make sure your content is concise, well-researched, and visually appealing. Keep it under 60 seconds, which is the maximum duration for YouTube Shorts. Optimize titles and descriptions. Craft catchy, keyword-rich titles and descriptions for your shorts to improve discoverability. Use relevant keywords, but make sure the titles are engaging and intriguing to attract viewers. Engage with your audience. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your shorts. Respond to comments, ask questions, and build a community around your content. The more engagement your videos get, the more likely they are to be recommended to a broader audience. Monetize with ads. As your YouTube Shorts channel grows and meets the eligibility criteria, you can monetize your videos through YouTube's partner program. This allows you to earn money from ad revenue. However, keep in mind that ad revenue may not be substantial at the beginning. Affiliate marketing. Incorporate affiliate marketing into your content by promoting products or services related to the 5 best ways to earn money. You can include affiliate links in your video description or verbally mention them in your shorts. When viewers make a purchase through your affiliate links, you'll earn a commission. Sponsorships and brand deals. Once your channel gains popularity, you can seek sponsorships and brand deals with companies or products relevant to your content. These partnerships can provide significant income in exchange for promoting their products or services. Cross-promotion. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to cross-promote each other's content. This can help you gain more exposure and grow your audience faster. Offer exclusive content. You can use platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi to offer exclusive content or perks to your most dedicated fans in exchange for a monthly subscription fee. Remember that building a successful YouTube Shorts channel takes time and consistent effort. It's essential to focus on creating valuable content, building a loyal audience, and exploring multiple revenue streams to maximize your earnings. Additionally, stay up to date with YouTube's policies and guidelines, as they can change over time.